Scissors rock, paper, scissors rock, guys. Come on, Russian boo. Alright, you going for us, Simon?
No, I love to be insulted.
Alright, bro, pick an item.
Well, I don't know, mate. Colombian cartoon, mate?
Oh, would I have cocaine in that?
Yeah, well, sorry, no, I fell asleep watching
Yeah, I wish I had cocaine.
You gotta do that, man. Is it a song, my bro? Is it foot? Try it.
I haven't been around the basement yet, myself, and I didn't desire. I'm higher than a World War II soldier in a Spitfire. Dicks and amphetamine, where's the flyer? We're a Valhalla popping the collar. I get my Rottweiler, even with a German word, I'm letting off his fucking collar. Why the fuck you think I'm on the snail trail? Chasing the fish scale, cause it's gone pale. I don't give a damn, Lindsay. I'm doing coke like Lohan. Is she? It doesn't matter cause I'm broke when she's with me. Even though I fuck her on the floor for 4 hours when I rip it raw. See, ballistic will always stick them up. I don't give a fuck, even though they suck and swallow. I get the whole fucking bottle. Eat it when I go full throttle in the fucking hollow. The gunshot, even when I pop straight through your head before the shell drops. Stop.
Ballistic, everybody!
Yo, bro, the crowd heard that. Didn't sound like scissors. I haven't even pulled a bag yet, and that's just truth. You probably like that scissor lesbian sex, dude. That's just how it is. Yeah, I did scissors too. I lost to you, but I'm still gonna win, fool. Hold up, let me make this ritual. Get this bag or two. What the fuck is this? GTA 5 on my fucking pop, you. Oh shit, man, off the top too. Let me have a look at this. Oh shit, you see that V? V for virgin. Learning. I get this fucking game and I'll kill you like Steve Irwin.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Are you ready? 4x4. Here we go. Here we go. And 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah, he ain't got the clue. Wait, I lost the beat. Yeah, I know it too. Get the scissors, I'ma cut your bubble stick. Bro, this your name, bro. Yo, this sounding like what you doing? What you doing about it? Painting with my chain. When I swing, when I get my rhyme, yo, I feel the pain. Here's the mic. Can you keep up with me? No, you got no mic, man. Good night. Right now I don't fucking care, I'll disappear out the atmosphere. But get the fucking bed again with the Beretta. Gotta forget her, knitting the sweater when I let her. Go get her with the cheddar. Right now, man, I am better. Bullets stick 'em up, I don't really give a fuck. In a stolen truck, when I go fuck it up, even though they swallow and suck. Angel dust and flames give up, I get a rush. When I chip tap on that line, 99.9, I am fine. Even though I do this ice, I don't really care, cause I get a slice and dice in your face. Guillotine, I will replace you. You ain't talking or smoking, you walking down the road. You slower than a toad, Jackrabbit, because I know I got 2 fits in my arm. I never stay calm, I don't give a fuck when I trap and then you're gone. Man, but how you said you was slow as a snail? You can't even keep up with this beat. I get the hammer, smack you like a nail. That's just what I do, man, I break your show. Look at the road, this is the phone, I gotta get it with saying yo pathetically, mentally. Oh wait, no, hold up, man, psychedelically. Yeah, hold, I don't wanna be like that, it's rude to ye. This is how it is, I know I'm smooth to G. This is what I flow, man, you're on curving ye.
Man, I don't really give a damn, just a plan. I can't stand yo one. What's up, man? I told James I'm playing games. Ballistic, that's his name. My mom named me that shit when I was fucked in the brain. I'm autistic 6%. Right now, man, don't make you dead. You wanna be the fucking Avenger. Right now, I will end you on a bender. Whistling a man on amphetamines. I'm getting the damn. Look at my eye, I am high. Sky high, like the 4th of July. I'm gonna smoke out that I buy from an ample supply. Sit back with the jack. I smack in the face right now, cause you know I lack the skills with the deals. Right now, man, I got the pills. You need to go to the top of the hill. Talk to Bill.
Yeah, I was ragged on your ears and your brain, your bucketeer, man, I swing my chain, that's how I bang. Yeah, your coat 45, this is how I then slide. Yeah, your suicide, moving on that dope, I ride. Yo, listen, punch this, your punchline, no punch time. Fucking with that shit, pack my Lunchables, it's lunchtime. This is how it is, wait, it's morning, man, it's punch time. This is what I do, you nothing to me, man, double time.
Man, semi-finals. Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Spin that shit.
Make a noise for BIGGcHAINZz. Make a noise for BALI TIK. BIGGcHAINZz.